ThyssenKrupp, maybe? Yeah, it's ThyssenKrupp. With VR buttons. This is the Rivermark Village Garage Shopping Center here in... What the... Oh, you know, I'm having fun with that. Anyway, as I was saying, this is a parking structure for a shopping mall in Santa Clara. Nudge mode. Why is that wired to the buzzer? I'm a little kid, bro. Look at the indicator. There, I fixed it. Little hydro is right here. Okay, that's enough. There, floor passing chime. I've never seen an elevator do that. Alright.